Hi, I'm Kelly Dakota, and I am going to show you what comes in the February starter kit with Perfectly Posh. For only $99, you get so many products. It's amazing. So let's start here. You're going to get Love the Dark Body Scrub. It's filled with sea salt, honey, charcoal, has a nice sea breeze scent. This is worth $24 alone. Another product that is worth $24 alone is the Stripper Body Mud. This is great for like detoxing your armpits, the bottoms of your feet, just an all over deep cleansing body mask. This stuff is amazing. It has many, many uses. Both of these are worth $24 each when you buy them alone. The whole kit is only $99, so that we're just getting started. You also get the Flower Child Skin Stick, a $14 value. This is great for fine lines and wrinkles. It has a nice rose scent, very, very nice. And you get a BFF exfoliating face wash. This is like everybody's favorite face wash. It is one of our top sellers. Everyone who tries it falls in love. $21 value in the kit. You also get the Ain't That the Youth hand cream. This is unfragranced. It has special nourishing ingredients in here for intense hydration, and it also has ingredients that plump up the fine lines on your hands. When they're looking all like old lady-ish, they can, it'll plump those fine lines up. It works instantly. It's amazing. And it also has stuff that helps get rid of those age spots over time. Definitely want one of these. $13 value. We've got a Gender Bender chunk bar. This is one of our best-selling chunk bars. It has charcoal. It's a black bar of soap. It is so good to like deep clean those pores. Just a really nice deep clean. It also removes dye and ink and grease and stuff off the skin. Sharpie off your skin. Good stuff right here. That's a $9 value. And we've got 24 carats, one of our new masks. This is a deep cleansing but also ultra nourishing hydrating face mask all in one. Tons of like fruit and vegetable extracts in here. This is super fun, and it's orange. It looks, your face turns orange. It's so much fun. And this is a $19 value. So all of those products together, make sure I didn't miss any. All of those that I just showed you, those alone are worth $124. So your kit is only $99. Those are worth $124. If you wanted to go ahead and pre-sell those to your friends, say I'm getting this big box of Posh, what do you want? Collect the money. You'll have the money to buy your kit. Or once they come in, you could sell those products and get your money back right away. So that's just one option, or you can keep it all for yourself, whatever you want to do. But you still get more products. We've got the new Show and Gel in here. This is a prickly pear and aloe vera hydrating body gel. It feels so cool. It smells so good. It's just like this fresh, clean scent. And it's like this gel formula. And it's cooling on the skin. It soaks right in. It's ultra moisturizing. And it's just this like cucumbery, fresh, light scent, and I am absolutely loving this stuff. This is worth, where'd it go? It's worth $19 on its own. You get one of these. You get the Purifier Skin Stick. That's great for bug bites and itchiness and like rashes and stuff. I use this a lot in the warmer months, and they're coming, I promise you. So Purifier Skin Stick, $14 on its own. You get a Feels Better Soon chunk bar, the full size. I just don't have one to show you, but I do have this cute sample. This is a lavender chunk bar, so you get two of those. The big one worth $9. You get a bath bomb. You get to try out a lavender fizzy bath bomb. They're worth about like $4 or $5 on their own. Yummy. And you get Social Butterfly Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. This is a candied blackberry and jasmine scent. It has this beautiful packaging. So fun. Great to give as a gift. $9 value. And you also get the consultant only Ritual face mask. I can't find mine, so I can't show it to you. But it comes in a tube like this. It's a Posh pink face mask, deep cleansing. It's super fun, and it's your introduction into Posh. Only Posh consultants get one. You also get tons of samples to share. You get Pineapple Pick Me Up, which is a face mask, an exfoliating face mask. You get Gel Yes, gel to water moisturizer. That's one of our brand new products. You get Ain't That the Youth hand cream samples in fun little sample packs to give out. And you get Sassy Yuma Big Fat Yummy hand cream samples. Though that's one of my favorites. People love that. You give those to people, they will be like, yeah, I'm gonna buy all the Posh from you. You also get 2 spring samples of some of our brand new products. I actually have one here. The Fantasy That chunk bar. You get samples of this, like in this cute little sample size. Look at this beautiful chunk bar. It's shimmery, it's pink, it smells lightly of flowers, but not overly perfumey. Oh, I just love it so much. And there's like a little unicorn on it. You get samples of those to give to people. Amazing. And you also get samples of our Pinkies Up Big Fat Yummy hand cream. I actually have one right here that I have opened to try out the scent. I love it. I keep it on my desk. And these samples, you guys, you literally need this much. One of these can last such a long time. I have it open and just propped up on my desk. This is a rich blackberry, lavender, black tea, and vanilla scent all mixed together. It's super light. Oh, I just love the scent. It's a very light, pretty, feminine scent, but not overpowering at all. And you get all of that for only $99. Also, when you join, you get 20% back on your future orders. And it can go up from there. 25%, 31%, it goes up from there. You also have an opportunity to earn tons of free products and half price products. You can collect orders from friends. They can shop on your free website. The sky is the limit. You can get this kit and just get a big box of Posh for 99 bucks. You can't lose, right? Or you can take these products, share them with your friends, start earning some extra money, even if it's just to pay for your own Posh. Or maybe it will pay one of your big bills, or maybe it'll start paying all of your bills. When you join with me, Kelly, you are part of my amazing team of people that me and my leaders, you get all of our leadership and guidance, and we just aim to please. We do everything we can to help you take your business to wherever you want it to go. Whether you just want to earn an extra $50 a month or you want to earn $2,000 a month, we're going to help you get there, and you can totally do it with Posh. There's no tricks. What you see is what you get. All it is just like putting in some effort, sharing this awesome stuff with your friends. It's so easy. People, they use soap, they use lotion. It's just getting them to try ours, right? And it's all really affordable. Almost all of our products are under $25. We also have this great new line called Defiant. It pushes that price point a little bit because of the amazing ultra concentrated ingredients in there that fight the signs of aging and actually like help reverse it. And you will get 20% back on those as well. So if you have any questions at all, please just message me. I'll drop my email in the comments. Send me an email. If you're seeing this on Facebook, you can send me a private message. I am here to answer any questions you possibly have. I'm not going to try to talk you into doing something you don't want to do. I just joined Posh because I loved it. I bought a kit because I just wanted a whole bunch of products. I never thought I'd be on YouTube making videos telling people about Posh, but here I am because I love it so much, and this opportunity, it really is life-changing. I know that can sound cheesy and corny, but it is true. I've made some of my very best friends in life through Posh. I used to call them my Posh friends. Now they're just my friends. We have such a great, amazing team of people, and we would love to have you as part of our team. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll have lots more. I've got lots of new products to do reviews on too. Super excited about that. We just launched our pink ink core catalog, all of our Posh staples, and we have a new fun, exciting fab and floral spring extras. So it's a really fun, exciting time to join Posh, and I would love to be the one to show you the ropes. Thank you so much, and if you'd like to join, there's a link in the comments. If you just want to read more about joining, you can go there. And that's it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.